In order to get free Nitro 30-day trial, all you have to have is a credit card or a digital debit card. So for that, make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it, how to get free credit card or debit card online, and how you can get a free Nitro Plus membership for 30 days as a free trial. So let's dive right into the video. As you guys can see that you may get a free trial notification for the Nitro on the Discord. So in order to avail that, what you have to do is to have a credit card, even though it has no money in it, but you still need a credit card or a debit card. So in order to do that, there are three actual websites and banks who provide you the online digital virtual debit card or credit card. So the number one website is privacy.com. Here, what you have to do is simply open up the website, sign up with your official ID, and then go to the price and plans. Here, what you have to do is to get a virtual credit card or debit card according to your requirement. So here you guys can see that the first one, which says personal, and it comes with $0 fee. Create up to 12 new cards per month, merchant logged and single-use card. Set spend limit on a transaction monthly annual, and pause and close cards. So this is like the free card that you can get, and you can use this card for a free trial version of the Nitro on the Discord. So let's move on to the second website. So the second website is the Citibank. Citibank is also famous for providing free credit card and digital virtual debit card facilities online on the web stores. So here you guys can see that their website, and you can get the credit card from here as well. So the next website is Capital One. So the Capital One website also provides you a virtual debit card and credit card option. All you have to do is to simply sign up and apply for the debit card. So that way you will be able to use that debit card in the Discord for the free Nitro Plus free trial. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.